How to play GTA 5 with controller on PC. Welcome back to the channel, and let's start with this tutorial. To play a GTA 5 with a controller, the most easiest way is to play from your Steam. You can connect your Epic Game and your Steam for this. Now in here, you have to do some of the configuration for your controller. Select your Steam and head to the settings option. From here, go to your controller option. As you can see, you can configure it for your Xbox and your PlayStation as well, or other generic controllers. Just toggle it on to enable it. If you need an extended feature for your Xbox, you can also install the driver, which is at the bottom. You can just hit on the install button to get yourself this external driver and play along with the Xbox. So this is for your Steam controller. If you want to change the in-game controller settings, you have to go ahead and start up your GTA 5. In there, you should navigate to the setting option. From there, you can select on your controller. In here, you can go ahead and tap on Play Game. Make sure that you have connected your console. Once you are done from here, and if you want to configure more, you can select the functionality of certain keys. And that is all for the video as well. We hope that you found this video informative and helpful to you.